Hello and welcome back again, my friend, with Bitcoin price prediction or Bitcoin forecast or BTC price prediction. This is Thomas with you again. We came back in another video. So, as every time, if you are a long-term trader, stick with us only here in the daily and weekly. If you are a swing trader, go to the 4 hours, and if you are a scalper and day trader, go to 30 minutes. And you're going to find timeline down description of that video. So go choose depending on your trading style, and the timeline it will sort your trading style. So let's start our lesson of today. By the way, before we even start, you watching me now, are you not yet subscriber? Why, my friend, make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos. It's not something hard, just a red button down, click at it, next to it a bell, turn it to all, so like that when we put in a new video, you're going to be notified. Or you can even join us in Telegram or Discord, where we're giving daily free signals. Yes, we go back to give daily free signals. And let me hope, guys, that a message for you. Let me hope you will not make me regret again. You done it? Welcome to the family. So guys, as you see today, that the weekly candle here, it's finished here in that zone here. Let me zoom it a little bit to show it to you what I'm trying to talk about here. As you see, that candle here, that smaller one, is that the weekly candle. So that means all the week we stay in here. And that candle here, what it's telling us, that is an indecision candle. It came in a very strong level here, as you see it. Now, either we're going to see another drop, or maybe we're going to see a fake out breakout and then up and down. Me and the people they follow me, we just enter now along in 30 minutes. That just for scalping and day trading. But for long term, there is nothing yet here. We're still waiting. Where is the market is going? The good news here, let me show it to you. You remember that channel here when it's getting broke here? We said maybe it's going to go here, then from here it's going to fall down to touch it here, then after that to go up. That's a scenario. But guys, for long-term investment, all the smaller move, it doesn't matter. The most important to enter at those days, because you are very close to the halving cycle. So try buy as much as you can of Bitcoin. But the only thing I can tell you, try to buy as much as you can of Bitcoin. If you don't want, that is up to you. But for long-term investment, try to buy as much as you can of Bitcoin. That's the only thing I can tell you. Another thing here in the weekly, is it here, those moving averages. You see the 50, it's still below. Then the 200, till now we haven't broken above here for us to know the market is going to change. And we still stuck. We haven't broken that 100 here. So everything's still looking the same. So we need the market to come a little bit to push up. But everything is showing to us, also we are going to go in a bull run zone. Because look at it by your eye. Let me take it off those moving averages to explain those things to you, because also we analyze in weekly only once in the week. If you see here, look at it here, what the market is telling you. At the bottom here, then the market he came here, he break here, he fall down, he touch here. Now it's need to break for us that level here. Yes, that level is very stronger. I show it to you before, but we are going to break it as soon possible. The power it came back to the market, because till now everyone is still scared, because that level here, very stronger level. That way you don't see major moves, and that way you see the Bitcoin it's flat, and Bitcoin always when it's being flat like that, there is a major move coming. So get ready, guys. Everything is too clear. Now let's go in to see the coming news for that week. For pictures to get more clear to you, so let's go in there. The coming news for that week, guys, as you see it, that's what we got. And Monday, we got a holiday in USA, the Independence Day of USA. So the market will close at 1 o'clock GMT time. So you need to be focused about that one. Then we got for the Eurozone, that's what we got here, as you see it. We got Germany manufacturing, because that's the start of the month. UK PMI plus the ISM manufacturing of USA. That one is going to tell us where is the US dollar is going to go. And as you see it, the forecast here it's showing it will going up, because it used to be at 46, and the forecast here it's showing is going to go to 47. If that one go like that, that means the US dollar is going to fall down, and that's good news here. Everything is too clear here. Then in Tuesday, what we got, same thing. USA is still in holiday. Then we got the Australian interest rate decision. Then the very important day of that week is it Wednesday, the FOMC meeting. minute, as you see it here, that when they are going to decide if they are going to hike or no, and that day is very, 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 very important, guys. Then what we got else in Thursday, as you see it, we got EDP, non-farm employment change, initial jobless claim, services PMI of USA, then we got ISM non-manufacturing PMI, then we got the jolt, then crude oil. So in Thursday we got a very busy day. Plus, in Friday, that was we got here, is going to come average hour earning, non-farm payroll, and unemployment rate. Is a very, 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 very busy week, guys. So be careful, be careful, be careful. It's going to come very, very, very huge moves. If you are a beginner and you don't know what to do, don't try to open any trade those days. That's the only thing I can tell you. Don't try to open any trade those days. Everything is too clear, guys. And here is our friend, the table of us, as we're looking at it every day. Look at it here. It's showing to us US market. It started the week green, but we got a very, very clear divergence in the SP 500. And the SP 500, if it falls down, all the rest, they are going to follow it. Maybe it's coming a correction in the SP 500, guys. And the SP 500 try to give us a double top. So be careful about those things, what I'm telling you. We're going to see tomorrow how it's going to end up the candle of Monday, and from there we're going to make a decision based on that. And here is our friend, the one people they've been with us now here in that channel every day. We're looking at that is the VIX. The VIX, it's still below in the level of scarness. It's still 13. Ashman scarness, it's still very, very, very low, and the volatility is still very, very low. That's why you see the market is very flat those days. So there is nothing new here. I think picture is too clear, guys. Here now let's go into daily to see what the Bitcoin doing today in daily. Here we are in the daily. Over here we still for long-term investment. Here in the daily we said it like that. We came here, we doing that level here, and down we doing that level here, and we said we got here an inside bar. Till now we haven't breaking above and we haven't breaking down, and the inside bar when it came in a very, very stronger level is going to indicate there is a huge move going to come. Either if we're breaking above here, the market is going to jump. If we're breaking down here, we're going to see a correction. And the Bitcoin, when it's falling, it fall always slowly, but when there is a big jump, it go by power. For people they been with us, we show you we got here a very clear megaphone here in the daily. If you remember it, when us we show it to you, we told you like that, and down here we came, we do it like that. As you see that the megaphone as we been talking, if it's breaking above here, you need to enter long, but for the short as we waiting just here a price action. Till now we don't got a very clear price action, and our indicator is here at the overbought area. We show you all that in the previous analysis. So now what should you do here at this time? Nothing, just wait, because till now us we still waiting the Bitcoin to break that last high here for us to know the Bitcoin it doesn't give us here a double top here clear here, because the Bitcoin is need to break that level here for us to know the bull market or the real bull market it started, guys. And I show you that one here is the top of that cup and handle here. I think picture is too clear, guys. Here now let's go into 4 hours to see what Bitcoin doing today in the 4 hours. So let's go in there. Here we are in the 4 hours. Over here is only for swing trading. Yes, you are right, my friend. Over here we said like that. You can find it even in the thumbnail of the video. Like that, we got here a very clear flag here. Like that, we said if we don't breaking above here, there is no entry long. If we don't breaking down here, there is no entry short. Until now, the Bitcoin is staying sideways here. There is nowhere to go. Let's hope today the market is going to move, either to go up just to touch here, or to fall down to touch here, and also we waited in smaller time frames to benefiting from those moves. But at this time there is nothing new here. We need to wait until the right time here for swing trading. So for swing trading we need to wait and more, guys, till the right time came. Everything is too clear, guys, here. So now here for swing trading, what should you do? Nothing, you just need to wait. For swing trading there is no entry long, no entry short, and passion is the key of what? Is the key of success. I've been saying that thousands of times. At this time here, the only thing we need to wait in is that 2 levels here, that one here in the top and that one here down here. That the levels you need to wait in. If we're breaking above here, enter long. If we're breaking down here, enter short, and forget about any small price action. going to come to you here because the Bitcoin is it here sideways. Look at it, very clear sideways market. As you see it, guys, some people they been with us have been teaching you that thousands of times. There is a move, a sideways market, then after that either a big move or a falling. And over here, if you're using the Bollinger Band, you're going to see it is getting like that. It's getting very, very, very squeeze here. So guys, be ready. There is a huge move coming, so get ready. I'm talking here about just swing traders will follow me. Everything is too clear. Let's see our other indicator what it's saying, guys. That one here, same thing. We show you we got here a divergence if you remember it. And now here, look where we are. We are here at the middle. That means us we still in a bull market. Technically here, we're still in a bull market, but a bull market without power. Look at it here. Look at that zone here. What it's showing to you. Look when it used to be the volatility. Now there is no volatility in the market. That way you see the market is very flat. And us as traders and investors, we make money when there is volatility. When a market is flat, there is no money in it. The market which is flat, the money in it is just for long term. For short term, there is no money in it. It's only for market makers to make money in the market which is flat. But now here in the Bitcoin, it's very flat. That's why me, I don't advise no one to enter for any swing trading or something. But the good news here, also we staying here in a bull market. Now either from here is going to go back up and to break that channel I just show you, or to break down here and to break that channel I just show you, and also we are going to go with it. Everything is too clear. Let's go to see our other indicator what it's saying, guys. That one here, same thing. Our indicator is at the overbought area level. Also we are in a very, very stronger level. But guys, what we need the Bitcoin to break lower down for us to enter short. If it doesn't break, there is no entry short, no entry long, because that one down is just an oscillator. I've been saying that thousands of times. And even here, you remember what me I show you before here, that trend line we used to have here, like that. You see it or no? Got the trend line, even here it's being touched here and here. So that one should we enter short based on it? No. The only price action we got now is that channel here. That channel here is going to give us the exact time when we're going to enter, because guys, it might you enter from the top here and you catching a very, very nice entry, but it might you enter from here and the market to move back upward. Us we waiting the confirmation. That way us we enter late when the market is confirmed for us, and that way it's better for you. Everything is too clear. Let's go in now to 30 minutes for scalping and day trading. So let's go in there. Here we are in 30 minutes. Over here is only for scalping and day trading. By the way, yes, I know you are a subscriber and you've been with us for some time. Did you smash the like button? You haven't. Guys, we want that video to reach to 90 likes. So go ahead and do it. Please support us. We want that video to reach to 90 likes, guys. You know us, we've been changing everything. Then some people, they've been begging us. Then us, we make it again for you and we give you the second chance. So guys, don't make me to regret. I want that video to reach to 90 likes. And drop a comment, and if you could even share the video. You done it? Thank you very, 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 very much, my friend. Here in 30 minutes, guys. I've been waiting all the whole day, and I'll show you, even here in the community tab of YouTube, I'll put it here, a channel like that. That channel is getting broke here in that candle here, that one. We put stop loss down here in that level. The market fell down till here as you see it. It hasn't hitting the stop loss for us. Now at that level here, we got a new price action here. Look at it here. You connecting those ones like that, and down you can show those tails like that as you see them. You see them or no? You got here now a wage, guys. It's not that clear, but look at it from that one and that one and that one and that one. That wage you have. Look at it here, here, and here. That's a new price action. If it's getting broke above here, us we're going to go, and us we still now having a long position. If it's breaking down here, us we're going to enter short. Let's see our indicator what it's saying, guys. Our indicator is giving us here a very clear divergence, guys. Look at it. You see it or no? Should we enter short? If it's breaking down that wage, us we show you, we're going to enter short. That's it. That's the only thing us we doing. That's our job. And that's why us we tell you every time, if you are not joining us in Telegram or Discord, you're missing a lot of things. And guys, we've been saying that all those Telegram and Discord, they are just for a certain number of people. After that, everyone he needs to join us, he needs to pay money. That's it. That's the only thing I can tell you. So I think picture is too clear, guys, here. So that's it for that video. And please, guys, please make sure to smash the like button, to write down a comment, and if you could even share the video. You done it? Thank you very much, my friends. See you in another video, guys. Bye for now.